Oh my goodness, this is new.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere.
Ah!
Butterwork.
Oh, that's like sizzling. No, what? We were supposed to sift it with baking soda. Shouldn't already be boiling. Oh my God.
Hey guys!
This is different,
We don't usually cook.
but we want to do more. Technically, this is baking.
Oh.
You bake cookies.
But I mean, like, people do cooking videos and
Right.
they cook and bake.
But you bake cookies and you cook bacon.
But do you bake bacon? Because I like to fry bacon.
Cook it, you don't bake it.
But I fry it.
Frying's the same as
Frying
cooking.
is not cooking.
Okay, so today we're testing the ever popular, most
Bestest
awesome chocolate chip cookies ever.
Yes. Amazing.
Yep. So I stumbled across this video on the internet and I was like, you know what? If you guys have been watching us for any amount of time, you know how much I dang love chocolate chip cookies.
Spoiler alert, Matt, my husband, is obsessed with places like Tasty and Delish.
Yeah.
And so I told him actually, I was like, find a recipe, send it over.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna try it. And he goes, really? Because it makes him excited because he's not gonna cook all those, but he gets to taste them, so.
If you guys are excited to see us cook videos that are viral on the internet and on Facebook and the YouTubes, give this video a thumbs up because we're super excited about it.
The second most thing we love next to makeup and fashion is
eating.
food and eating it.
Yeah. You can't get more classic than a chocolate chip cookie.
You also, I feel like you can't mess it up. Or
Oh no,
can you?
I watched a
Or
video
can
where
you?
someone did.
Oh, eggs are here. Butter is here.
Yay.
Ooh,
Okay.
Break Stones. That makes me think of
Sour cream.
Break Builds, which is a school and an awesome show that I'm loving. This isn't sponsored by Netflix. Could it be? Maybe it should be.
Hey,
I love The Magicians.
get with us, Netflix. We'll talk turkey.
We have gotten with them.
We'll talk turkey. Are you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Okay. All right. We need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Take the thing out. If you don't take the thing out, it's going to be hot and then you can't put the cookies on it. We're already. That's really loud.
Oh, shoot. Stay on.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Oh, no.
Probably won't pick up. Oh, it's quieting down. Okay.
All right, let's get to cooking.
We're doing this thing. All right, we've preheated. In a medium bowl. Oh, shoot.
What'd you forget?
A saucepan to put on here.
We have saucepans here.
We do? Yes!
Voila.
Where?
I'm not sure. They're either in here or in a box.
Shoot. Did you look above the fridge?
Those are them.
Yes. Fun fact, we found this hot plate in our office when we moved in. We don't know if it works or not, so
Let's find out.
yeah.
Is this the first step? Is to...
Yeah, we gotta brown the butter. Oh, this is definitely not the first step.
I don't think it works.
God!
Oh, no. No. That's heat. Feel it.
Oh yeah, we don't need this yet.
All right, sorry. Learn how to cook. Do you even
Psych.
cook?
First, we need to, in a medium bowl, sift together the flour, salt, and baking soda. Set aside. 1 cup bread flour. All they had was a big thing of bread flour. Do you know the proper way to measure flour? With a cup. No.
I love the way flour smells. You spoon it into there?
Yeah. 3/4 cup all-purpose flour.
I have like a food fight in here. Black shirts were not a good idea for this video. Wait, is the spoon still in here?
Did you leave it in there? Ah! There she is.
Oh man. I get those heaping ones.
Heaping. Oh!
That happened.
What fun is baking if you don't get a little messy? That does not allow for spooning off.
Oh my gosh. It's everywhere.
Ah! Okay, that's good enough. 2 teaspoons kosher salt.
Shoot.
Ew! This flour bag says cook before sneaking a taste. Flour is raw.
You really didn't bring teaspoons?
I don't know. I just was working with
There
what
it
I
is.
had.
How much?
2 teaspoons. I don't feel good pouring it over that. Some chunks in there. Heaping table of kosher salt.
Teaspoon!
Teaspoon. I said heaping table. Oh man, it's a thing. How many girls does it take to bake chocolate chip cookies? Okay, make that one a little under because the last one's a little over.
Now we sift!
Sift. I love watching sifting. Yes, flour. Oh no! No! We were supposed to sift it with baking soda.
It's okay. We can do it. Put some baking soda in there. Put it in there.
Yeah, baking soda.
Dang it!
1 teaspoon.
It's not lost yet. We're already messing up.
So I learned, okay, level that up. Not in my hand. Oh my gosh.
We're good now. Good.
Secret I learned
Teaspoon?
about, yes. The secret I learned about baking soda is baking soda spreads and baking powder puffs. So,
I hear it. Oh, it's the salt.
Now comes in the hot plate. We got it over medium heat. Oh, look, there's a medium setting.
Yes.
Yeah, but most of the time it's just like numbers. Add the butter and melt over medium heat. I'm scared.
I'm gonna plop at the same time. I love butter so much. Butter work.
Oh, that's like sizzling. That seems too hot. Turn it down a smidge. Shouldn't already be boiling. Oh my God. I feel like a little kid trying to cook because this is so high. Out of the butter, the milk solids and the butter will separate, sink to the bottom, and begin to toast and brown.
It's just hard to see.
Make sure to stir constantly. Yeah, it said it may be quite foamy, splatter bit, and be difficult to see, so keep a close eye on it, removing from heat and continuing to stir if it starts to foam over. Remove it from heat and continue to stir.
Noises. Is it nutty yet?
No. I feel like it's getting more golden. I think we're getting there. Just keep it.
I'm trying.
I know. You're doing a real good job. Real good job. I'm so proud of you.
So hot.
Yeah, I think I see specks.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah.
It's there.
Yeah.
How do I do?
Pour it into a liquid measuring cup. Allow it to cool down for a minute or two. Give it a stir and carefully add the water. I mean, we could have had more brown spots, but
no, it's at the bottom. It's at the bottom.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Scoop them all in there.
We don't need that anymore, do we?
All right, we killed it.
It smells so good.
This is gonna make the best cookies ever. Do you know?
You guys, okay.
This is what it looks like. Okay.
Cool. It actually looks like urine when you haven't used the bathroom.
Haven't been drinking enough water. No. We're supposed to add a couple tablespoons of water.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna stay in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. It needs to be cooled to room temperature to become in with everything else. Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 10 minutes.
Why have I never done that?
I don't know, it's awesome. Okay, cool. So now that we're waiting on that to cool down, I think we can skip ahead.
Ooh, let's do that.
We need to cut our chocolate.
You cut up chunks of chocolate so it's like chocolatey chunky.
Yes.
I was gonna make it.
I know. The video of them cutting it was so satisfying to watch. I'm gonna try to replicate it. Are you ready? So next in our bowl,
This bowl?
large bowl, add sugars, vanilla, espresso powder, and cooled brown butter. 1 cup dark brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar. Oh my God, I love brown sugar so much.
I don't like dark brown. Powder.
Brown sugar smells like molasses and so good.
Got it.
Oh my God, brown sugar, yes.
Best part of waking up is Cafe Bustelo Espresso Instantáneo in your cup.
Oh my God, I made a mess all over my phone.
Security!
Look how pretty that is. 1 cup dark brown sugar. 1 teaspoon espresso powder.
Here's the timer.
Ah! That's so perfect! We're basically baking bosses.
Bacon bosses.
Oh my gosh.
I can see all the solids.
Smell it.
In a large bowl, add sugars, check. Vanilla,
How much of the vanilla?
espresso powder, and cooled brown butter. Cream together with an electric hand mixer until light and fluffy, 1 to 2 minutes. We need 2 teaspoons vanilla extract.
Chippity choppity.
What did I say?
Chippity ploppity. 2.
You know, a dose. Pretty sure it's room temperature. Ooh, all those brown bits. Get in there.
Nutty. You know when you mix this together and get it all together, I'm gonna eat the dough.
Oh, it smells so good. Gotta beat the stank out of it.
Hang on. How many cookies does this make?
It says 18. It's not looking right. We needed a deeper bowl. All right, time out. It's not doing anything. What did we put in here? Teaspoon baking soda, 2 sticks of butter.
There's no baking soda in this.
No, there's not. Okay, let me look. This has
Large bowl, add the sugars.
vanilla, espresso powder, and butter. Cream together until light and fluffy. It's not getting light or fluffy. It becomes like a frosting. See?
What is doing that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's trying to. All right, that is like post 5 minutes
Yeah, that was a long time.
of beating it up.
1 large egg yolk. Crack-a-lack it into this first.
It did not help.
You're getting it.
All over my hands. Plop it in.
Plop it. And plops away.
Bloop. And I hate messes.
They hate Charles. All right.
Yeah. You don't add the flour yet?
Not yet.
You know a secret?
What?
That was my first time separating an egg.
Oh my gosh.
Killed it, didn't I?
Where have you been?
Didn't I kill it though?
Killed it dead.
I haven't had a reason to separate an egg.
So just give us a third of the dry ingredients.
That feels like a third.
Okay.
It's not really, but. Here's where the dough happens.
Ah!
Final third?
Yeah, final third. That made a really satisfying like slap sound.
You getting doughy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna lick the spoon. I'm gonna lick the spoon.
The baiter. The baiter.
Don't eat raw eggs, kids. Gotta be honest.
Tastes like the best cookies ever? Just wait for it.
Tracy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, good.
Okay. I can't get distracted.
Keep eating it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why are you saying, oh my god?
Okay, half a cup is 85 grams. What's 130 grams?
That would be 4.59 ounces.
Pour in. Okay.
Cup
I
of
don't
what?
know how to respond to
Oh
that.
my god, she thought I said porn. I can't. Oh my god, this tastes so good. Oh my god.
It's dumb good. I can already tell you we've succeeded.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, you guys. Uh-huh.
Until we go to put them in the oven, then it just collapsed. Okay. Get it, girl.
Okay.
Put it in. Yes. You hope that's not too much. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my god. 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 Fold it in.
Fold it in.
It's gonna be fine. Yeah, you just don't want to crush out the chocolate. Is this gonna be too chocolatey?
No.
Is there such thing?
No.
Right. Oh god. Calories don't count today on Friday.
No.
Because I'm having all of my favorite foods today. Like, not going in a morbid way, but if I had to go in a day, let it be at the end of tonight because I'm gonna have my barbecue, and I'm gonna have my cookies.
And our triple layer.
And our triple layer brownies
chocolate
later.
thing.
I mean, you know, talk
Oh my God,
about.
this looks so good, Stefanie.
Let me just tell you, I struggle with cooking a lot.
And this looks real good.
Matt,
Woo! Nobody saw that.
runaway train, you're coming back.
Nobody saw that. Now, they say that if you are an A+, baker, you will you will scoop it,
I don't know, you put the chocolate chips in it? Yeah, that's what I did.
3 tablespoon-sized mounds, cover it and refrigerate for 1 hour or even better overnight.
Just got a little clump off of it. It like cuts the strongness of the butterness. We're gonna cover this and do what?
It says scoop it. Paper towel me. We don't have a big enough baking sheet. I say we just,
Plop it on there.
I mean, we can. Do we want to refrigerate or do we just want to go with it?
We could go with it, and if it fails, refrigerate.
Okay.
Okay, limited
No
options. We have a toaster oven, so
judgment.
these would probably be better at home. We're probably gonna save some of them to bake tonight.
Yeah.
So make sure you're watching our vlogs.
YouTube.com/T&S.
You know what makes me happy about this?
What?
You watch all the fancy cooking people, and it's like, that's fun and all, but like, can I do it? You
Yeah.
watch us, and it's like, dang,
Hey,
they're awful. I could definitely do that.
we're doing this. It definitely died.
I wish everyone could taste the cookie dough, but I don't want to make them sick all
No, you can't. That's not a good thing as a boss. You don't give your
Boss,
employees raw cookie dough.
But you let them eat starched peanuts. Again, watch the vlog.
I said don't do it. Oh my god, Erin.
Ooh,
It's
good.
happening. We're so
Daddy's like,
excited.
how are those cookies? I'm like, they're not done. They're not done.
Okay,
Hey, the best things. We've got foil over our toaster oven thing. We're gonna spray it just so they don't
I'm
stick.
just making sure it's pushed down real good so they like lay as flat as I think you can get 4 on here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get down with the nitty gritty.
Yeah, you got to.
I can almost form it.
Yeah. Just make a little mound. Perfect.
I mean, that's actually pretty big.
Yeah,
to
that's
be
a good one.
honest.
Yeah, it is. I wouldn't make them any bigger than that.
Oh my god.
Perfect, Stefanie. Perfect. Perfect. Namaste.
It's not on.
Oh, hit it.
My hands have this on it.
Okay, I can't. Can I reach it? Ah!
Shoot. Just hold on.
Hold on, no, I got it. I got this. Always on 350 degrees.
Okay, she's ready.
Oh my god, they're gonna be so good. Ready? Yeah.
Our poor little toaster oven.
Hey, it's gonna make magic miracles.
Hope they're not too big. We'll have a cookie cake then.
They cooked real fast. They're a little on the doughy side.
Like this one's setting up though. Like this is how I like mine.
Right, same.
So like I want it to almost fall apart.
Same.
So I'm really not that mad about it. It's like a lava cake on the inside of this one.
Oh my god, yes. That's what's gonna be so good about those chocolate chunks.
Put you together and just act like you're cute.
You're cute.
You're not really cute, but let's do a quick pancake slide.
Oh, good. That was good.
Let's pancake slide.
Oh, okay. Don't look at that.
Okay, guys, they are out. As you can see on the close-up cam, they are out.
They're cookies. We made
They are,
them.
but
Okay.
I think the only thing to do now is
taste
to eat
test
them.
them.
They're a little mushy. We're gonna eat them with fork.
Okay.
Because I don't know how else to do it. They smell a little nutty. I think I can actually pick it up.
Yeah.
Can I?
Oh my gosh.
They're very
We could have let them
doughy.
go a little longer.
I was afraid. That's when they were supposed to come out.
It was like 3
They're
minutes.
definitely just mostly dough.
We should put them back in.
Let's try them now, and then if we need to put them back in, we can. When we eat brownies, that's what you want it to look like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers. Oh god.
You know what? That's the best chocolate chip cookie ever.
Oh my god.
But you want to know what else? That flavor bakes out.
But I still have that rich.
But I'm saying it's
nuttiness
not
in
as
it.
rich.
I can even still get the taste of the salt. Like it's salty on my tongue. Oh my god.
Like I just want to make them eat them like this.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Are they good?
Yeah, we've got some for y'all. Don't worry.
I love the saltiness of it.
It's extra salty. Like for a cookie, like
Do you think we put too much salt in it? Let's look back at how much it called for.
did I put a tablespoon? I was supposed to put a teaspoon.
What did you put?
I don't remember. I think everything was like a teaspoon.
It was supposed to be 2 teaspoons kosher salt.
Oh, it's in there. That's like the only one I used. Yeah, I used that.
Yeah, that's a teaspoon.
It's supposed to be salty.
It's just
I don't know.
yummy.
A, tell us down below if you've tried this. B, tell us if there is any more recipes you would like to see. C, do you want to see them on this channel or on TNS?
Yeah.
Because we're thinking that we want to start doing, well, we've already started doing more lifestyle videos on this
Yeah.
channel, like the come shop with me's, and
Right.
we want to do some closet decluttering and some makeup decluttering and all kinds of stuff.
Let us know down in the comments.
That salt is lingering.
It's good though. I like it.
All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and do tell us everything down below.
Thumbs
and
it up.
Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
And we'll talk to you guys in another video super soon because we're killing it lately.
Oh, also tell us down below if you think this was a fail or not a fail.
I mean, toaster oven, cooking,
I think it was
baking
good.
requires a little bit more
Skill.
and like
We've
practice.
covered that. We don't have that.
No skills, but we got practice. We could practice. All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Talk to you guys in a video super soon.
Bye. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, we'll find something. You can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click that circular channel icon
And it'll sub you right up.